Hey family, what's going on today? Today. Yes, I'm coming to y'all with some steak sliders. I made myself. Y'all see the cheese? Look at there. It's stuck. Look at there. Ooh-wee. Yes, I got me 4 steak sliders. Look at that. I got some steak sauce, and y'all see I got my dad cola. Woke up and it was snow outside today. Look at that. Drizzle some steak sauce on them. Okay. Hope y'all day is going well for y'all today. You know, my heart just go out to them people in California. They put a death toll, I think it was like 59. And there's so many people that's accountable for. I hope that they okay. Look at that. Well, I got to have my diet cola. Ooh. This is good. It's that shaved steak meat. Cut up some green bell peppers and onions. I seasoned it with some steak seasoning, a little garlic, and voila. And you know they have a little bitty buns, the little slider buns. I paid what? $1.99 for them. It's like, let me see, 12 of them in the pack. I use Kobe and mozzarella cheese. Whew. It's fat too. Look at that. Look at that. With this steak sauce, y'all should try it. Ooh, that acid. Some good burps. Trying to slow it down. It's hard. First time I was watching Prissy P, she was eating that ostrich egg. My thumbs went up to her. I mean, to tell me that egg, you could see the veins and you could see everything in that egg. Even though she had cooked it, that's something else. I know I can do it. Oh. Ooh, look at that. I ain't trying to tease y'all, but I'm just showing y'all how good it look. And it tastes how it look. I put a little mayo on it. And like I said, the steak sauce. It's delicious. That's all you need is something light. Not too much. Not heavy. Ooh. Y'all can tell I've been cleaned out from this pop. I ain't had no diet cola in about a week. I had some yesterday. About a week. Real simple to cook. Instead of going to White Castle, make your own sliders at home. If y'all seen my other video, I made some sliders, some big old little burgers. As long as you season it right, add your little onions and stuff in it. Sometimes I even put corn in there. I put some mixed vegetables. It's whatever you like, to your liking. Ooh. Y'all see, every time I drink this, that's what it does. It do what it do. I don't know what it is. Lately, my food been on point. I gotta get some more of that shaved steak. They cut it up real thin. It's good for making tacos. If you want to make like a stir-fry steak, stir-fry. Like I just made them little chicken sliders, making omelets, burritos, tacos. And you season it to your liking. And it's only, what is it, Kroger's? $5.99. And you could feed off of it. 3 people off of 1 pack. I forgot how many pounds it is. I think it's like 3 pounds, 4 pounds. I forgot. I gotta look at it. But I always get it. And normally if I'm cooking for a family of 6, I gotta use 2 packs. All together, you might spend what, about $20? But family, coming to y'all today. I hope y'all day is going fine. Y'all be safe out there. And be careful with this weather. And please give a thumbs up. Hit that notification button. And if you are not a part of the Yo Faith family, please subscribe. And I'll be seeing y'all later. Peace.